Sharanam Gacchami, P3Y Masik Papru for the month of June 2024. By doing this Masik Papru under the guidance of our P3Y teacher Prerak Bharti Maji, may from 1st June 2024 to 1st July 2024 we all get a lot of benefits from the power of Paramji. Let this whole month be arpit, dedicated to Paramji. Following are the first 8 sentences of Papru. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charnam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो। सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करती हूँ और करता हूँ। In the ninth sentence, Paramji, I request you to give your power by doing this Masik Papru today. May this whole month of June be very Sukhkari, happy. Paramji, may I feel very happy by attending the P3Y Mahashakti Divas Shivir camp offline or online tomorrow on 2nd June 2024 at Paramdham 1337 Sector 19 Faridabad. By making Ichha Patra, wish letter, and offering it to the Paramji, may I get the power to fulfill my great wish. May I take strength to remain healthy by consuming Paramjal and Parambhoj. May I take Siddh Sahitya from Paramdham and use them to make life Sukhkari, happy. May I take the power of Prachar by giving information about P3Y Mahashakti Divas to maximum new or old persons. May this entire month there be more happiness, peace, wealth, prosperity, health, wellness, security, and blessings than at present in me and my family. Paramji, may this coming month be very auspicious for my business and job. May my income increase, my blessings increase, I earn properly, spend properly, may I be able to save some, may I be able to spend some part of the income in P3Y Prachar. The money earned through hard work should not be wasted on medical expenses. May I get a lot of benefits by doing P3Y in farming and animal husbandry. The loan incurred due to any reason gets resolved soon. The stuck money comes back soon. Recession, competition, or weather does not have any bad effect on my business or job. I will definitely attend the live, online, or offline P3Y Lakshmi Samriddhi class to be held on Sunday morning at 11 a.m. and by attending the P3Y Lakshmi Samriddhi Anusandhan class to be held on Google Meet. Give me strength to become very happy and prosperous. I will consume maximum water by preparing jal from Param Rakshak touch card to protect myself from dehydration due to the scorching heat and ill effects of heat wave. To protect myself from any kind of accident, calamity, allergy, cold, cough, infection, viral infection, and other weather related diseases, and to increase immunity, I will take bath by wearing Param Vibhuti. Use Param Shakti Jal by putting Param Pratik in water, and I will use the Bhojan Arpan Vidhi. And for protection from any other type of diseases, I will definitely attend the P3Y monthly Rog Nivaran class at 7 p.m. on the last Sunday on 30th June 2024 and the P3Y Rog Nivaran Anusandhan class to be held on Google Meet. May the blessings and favors of the Pitra ancestors remain upon the family. May pending work be completed quickly. The Pitra be satisfied and bless the descendants, and may any kind of Pitra dosh, that is ancestral defect, Bhagya dosh, fate defect, Paristhiti dosh, circumstance defect, evil eye, or bad deeds done by anyone get eliminated. I will definitely attend P3Y Amavasya live class on June 6, 2024 for the prevention of evil effects of opponents, Graha Nakshatra Dosh, Vastu Dosh and Kal Sarp Dosh. I will also organize P3Y Amavasya Google Meet class at my home as soon as possible for maximum benefits. Paramji, with P3Y, may my married life be happy and prosperous. Both of us, husband and wife, become good sadhaks. Live a happy married life. Compatibility, affection, love, and trust increase between us. Paramji, the marriage chances of mine or my children. Speak to yourself as per the situation. Be made soon, and suitable bride and groom are found. For this, I will attend P3Y Vat Savitri Utsav class on 21st June 2024 at Paramdham 1337 Sector 19, Faridabad, or through online medium. Paramji, to get the maximum power of P3Y Prachar, may I attend the regional language class, uh, P3Y Prachar training class every Monday at 9 p.m. on Google Meet and the P3Y experience class every Friday at 9 p.m. and also let me inform others to attend the class so that I too get the power of Prachar and other people get the medium to make their lives happy by doing P3Y. Paramji, by doing P3Y, may I become very self-confident. My communication skills develop by promoting P3Y. Paramji, give me words, speech, morale so that I can spread maximum prachar or publicity among unknown people through P3Y Nimantran Patra, invitation letter, P3Y good luck card and get the power of wish fulfillment. I will also inform maximum people about P3Y online live classes to be held every day at 11 a.m. and 7 p.m. on P3Y Welfare Foundation YouTube channel and P3Y NCR India Facebook and make people also subscribe to the channel. Paramji, the people taught by me, P3Y, also get a lot of work done, due to which Paramji's fame and respect increases and my respect also increases. Paramji, may my student life, my children's student life or career be very successful and happy in this new session. May I be very confident, get maximum support from teachers and friends, work hard in studies and read Vidyarthi Nivedan every day. May this session be very enjoyable and successful. For this, I will keep recharging my strength by attending first Sunday, that is on June 2nd, 2024, P3Y monthly Kushal Vidyarthi class at 7 p.m. and P3Y Kushal Vidyarthi class experience class every Thursday at 7 p.m. and P3Y Kushal Vidyarthi Anusandhan class on third Thursday at 9 p.m. on Google Meet. To make all the festivals falling in the month of June very enjoyable by doing P3Y, this month I will definitely attend P3Y monthly Shivratri, P3Y Purnamasi class, P3Y Ekadashi class and other festival classes as per P3Y monthly magazine calendar. I will also write all the beautiful experiences of the month of 2024 in the Dharohar diary and will take the power of Prachar by making P3Y experience video or audio and sharing it in the group. Paramji, with your blessings, the month of May passed very happily. Thank you, Paramji, for this. Thank you, Paramji. Thank you, Paramji. Paramji, by doing regular P3Y, this month of June should be more pleasurable than the previous month. Please fulfill my wish. In the 10th sentence, as soon as the wish is fulfilled, in Pakar, gift amount in whatever currency you earn, decide it yourself. I will give to Paramji. I will offer 1 liter of water. I will offer a flower. In the 11th sentence, as soon as the wish is fulfilled, I will teach P3Y to 11 new people this month through any medium. I would request Paramji, may all yours and mine's sukhad wishes of this June month be fulfilled soon. Charnam Sharanam Gacchami.